Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV. And today I am reporting from MARINN place in Panama City, Panama, the former Hyatt place. In the financial district, we're very centrally located in downtown Panama City. And we are in room 1005 on the 10th floor. And let me give you a quick room tour. We checked in around 12:30 p.m. So early check-in. And there was no problem. The ladies were very helpful. So that was a good experience. Yeah. So as I mentioned before, this was the Hyatt place a few years ago. Online, it's still somewhat confusing because it's listed as Hyatt place, and some places it's listed as MARINN place. Either way, so far so good. So this is a pull-out couch here. And this is a queen size bed. So far so good. Everything seems to be clean. We technically have ocean view. I don't know if you guys can see that. All the way down there's a tiny little piece of ocean. But yeah, it's a very central location. Great location, to be honest. The views aren't too bad. Can't complain. All right. So yeah, have you guys stayed at the Hyatt place or at this hotel before? Please let us know in the comment section. I'm actually looking for the fridge. Where's the fridge? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel related videos and hotel room tours, because there will be more. We're off to Paraguay in a few days. Yeah, this is a good room. This is a good room. I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Saludos de Panama.